So you've finally bought a pair of AirPods Pro, or maybe you've had them for a while, but something just feels off. Maybe they slip out, maybe the bass feels weak, or maybe after 30 minutes, your ears start to ache. Here's a secret most people don't realize. 90% of AirPods Pro users are wearing the wrong size or type of ear tips, and it's ruining their comfort, sound quality, and long-term wear. Let's fix your listening experience once and for all.
Ear tips aren't just about staying in your ears. They affect bass response, noise cancellation performance, ear pressure, comfort during long sessions, and even the microphone's ability to capture your voice clearly. Apple includes 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, but that's not enough for everyone. Our ears are not symmetrical. One side might need a small tip, the other a medium, and Apple's Silicone isn't perfect for all ears. So if your AirPods Pro feels uncomfortable, sounds thin, or doesn't seal right, this is probably why.
Apple gives you a fit test in the settings menu, but here's the catch. It's not always accurate. It only listens for audio leakage from the mics, not actual comfort or full isolation. You could technically pass the fit test with the wrong tips. You might get just enough seal to pass, but you'll still feel loose fit, loss of low end, sound bleeding out or in. The real test? Play a bass-heavy song, shake your head, and then check if the bass stays punchy. If it sounds thin or the tips wiggle, the fit is off, regardless of what the test says.
Let's quickly run through the most common signs your tips are wrong. Weak bass? AirPods sound flat or empty? Probably a loose seal. Ear fatigue? If your ears start hurting after 15 to 20 minutes, the tips might be too large or stiff. AirPods falling out? Common with small or slick silicone. Ambient noise leaks in even with ANC turned on? You guessed it, seal issues. You feel pressure in your ear canal like a suction cup? Usually caused by too large or rigid tips. If you nod a yes to any of these, don't worry, we're fixing it next.
Here's the real way to choose the correct size. Step 1, try all 3 stock tips. Start with medium, default. Wear them for 10 minutes, music, walking, and silence. Switch ears if needed. Yes, left may need medium, right may need small. Step 2, the shake test. Play bass music, hip-hop, EDM, etc. Do a light head shake. If they move, they're too small or slick. Step 3, talk out loud. Talk while wearing them. If your own voice echoes weirdly or you feel pressure, the tip may be too deep or too tight. Still not right? Don't worry. It's time to upgrade beyond Apple's stock tips. Now let's talk about third-party options, and this is where things get interesting. These brands take ear tips to another level. First, Comply foam tips. Made from memory foam, mold to your ear shape, insane passive noise isolation, better bass response, more secure fit for workouts. Downside, they wear out faster, need replacing every 2 to 3 months. Next is SpinFit silicone tips, the CP1025 and CP360. These have flexible silicone stem design, perfect for people with unusual ear canals. Good comfort and bass, great balance between seal and breathability. Bonus, their shape makes them stay put without pushing too deep. Next, Osla Sedna Ear Fit X Elastec. These are thermoplastic elastomers. They warm to your ear and form a custom seal. Incredible comfort, high clarity sound. Downside, they're a bit pricey, but worth it for audiophiles. And lastly, Charge & Pro grip tips. These are hybrid foam silicone, designed for AirPods Pro, better grip during running or sweating, good balance of isolation and comfort. Remember, not all tips fit directly on AirPod stems, some need adapters, so always check compatibility.
Let's match ear tips to your lifestyle. Casual listener, SpinFit or Charge & Pro. Bass lover, Comply foam or ASLA. Workout and running, Charge & Pro grip tips. Travelers or noise cancelers, foam tips or ASLA. Audiophiles, ASLA X Elastec or Sedna EarFit Crystal. One size does not fit all. Choosing based on how you use your AirPods will dramatically change your experience.
Clean your tips. Gunk buildup ruins seal and sound. Use a microfiber plus a little isopropyl alcohol once a week. Update your firmware. Sound and ANC tuning improves with updates. Keep iOS and your AirPods firmware current.
Use the ear tip fit test, but trust your ears more. Combine tech plus touch. If it feels wrong, it is wrong, regardless of what Apple said. If we had to make one top pick for each category, Best All-Around, SpinFit CP1025. Best Bass and ANC, Comply Foam Premium. Best Sports Fit, Chargin' Pro. Best Audiophile Clarity, Asla Sedna EarFit X Elastec. Best Budget, upgrade to Apple's Medium if you were using small, large by default. Let us know in the comments what you use and love. We'll test it in future videos.
If you made it this far, you clearly care about audio, so don't let the wrong tips ruin your $250 investment. Like this video if it helped, subscribe for more deep dive, no fluff headphone content. We test, break down, and review so you get the best audio experience. This is AirPods Pro Review, and remember, small changes in fit lead to big changes in sound.